Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be fixing my exhaust, like I showed you guys in the last video. The muffler's like leaking, so we got these. We're gonna use one of these two. Not sure which one yet. And these ones are actually older than the car, but they've never been used before. So, yep. And my grandpa wanted me to show you guys these ramps. He reinforced them with the pieces down here.
Those are like 50 years old. The way they used to make them.
Oh, we got the old exhaust out. The old muffler, I mean. And got the new one in there. I just gotta get an exhaust tip port. And one of the hangers broke down there, so we just used the coat hanger and put that up. So yeah, I'll start it up now, see how it sounds. Got the camera set up. You ready, Greg? I think we did a good job.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Sounds pretty good. The hanger over here is rattling though. Well, we figured out what it was. It was actually the front clamp was just a little loose. So now it's perfect. Sounds like there's still something stuck inside the muffler though, a little acorn or something.
Oh, it'll burn up.
Well, I just took it on a test drive to Taco Bell, and the exhaust is good. It's real quiet, and there's a slight rattle from one of like the hangers or something, but besides that it's good. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment what part was your favorite, and also don't forget to share with all your friends and family. See you guys.